Hey guys, I hope everybody is doing well. I just wanted to show you the newest little SculptBox project we have. She turned out so cute, I was excited to share. So she's a cute little baby fairy, just a tiny little baby with this little adorable face. She's got just a few little curls in front and then some really short hair, so I'm going to show you how you do baby hair like that. Anybody who's tried it knows that that can be tricky. And then also how to sculpt this sweet little body with these cute little fists, these little tiny ears. They're actually quite detailed. You'll be impressed on the video with how they turned out. I was happy with how they turned out. And then we made these cute little tiny toes. On one of them I did the toes one by one with little tiny balls. It was a fun experience. So anyway, the wings turned out super cool. It's actually a liquid clay technique that I'll show you how I did. I think that was pretty fun as well. So lots of cool new techniques for you to learn. And then also these dolls, they're kind of breathtaking, you know, like the wings are dramatic, and I think I'm going to make this available in 2 different color schemes. So this is kind of more the red gold look, and then I'm going to have some colors available so you can have more like probably like a purple mint pastel, you know, kind of that type of thing going on. So I thought that would be kind of cool to have those options and a bunch of different hair colors that you can choose too. So anyway, this will be in the Sculpt box, which will come with everything that you need to make this doll, all the different supplies that you need. And then it'll come with the DVD as well, so you can watch and learn, and you'll also have online access. And in our online places, you can submit your photos of the things that you've made and have a nice time talking to the other students. So hope you'll join us for this newest Sculpt box.